welcome to the sound test. Today we'll be testing how many panes of glass we can break with an air rifle. So I found some old glass. Let's see if I can use it for something. So this is what I'll be shooting through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed one. 5, 6, 7. And then a bit of a gap. 8, 9, 10, 11. And then a bald. Just in case. Multi-shot test. These are the pellets that I was using. As you can see, this is a pointed pellet. This is what I used in the rifle. I didn't use them in the handgun, but the rifle and the handgun were basically the same. That was one lot. The second lot I used were these guys. Some Crossman, which, you know, if I was shooting an animal, then maybe. And that's what they look like. I won't bother showing you the pellet. Pretty good pellets. Now, the ones that did the most damage were these guys. Now, I've had these for quite a long time. I don't know whether they still exist, but have a look on eBay. But these are, let's see if we can get it. They're solid at the ends, and yeah, they are pretty good. So in conclusion, unfortunately, one pellet, one pane of glass. Obviously my experiment was a little bit ambitious. I was thinking at least 5, but nevertheless, maybe next time I'll try with a crossbow or something else. We shall see. Say goodbye.